To create this beautiful typography animation, let's pick a video document. And let's come over to our apps here. Let's search for motion type. This is the one we'll be using. So they have 5 templates. And this is the template I like most. So here I want to type my text. So you choose your font here. I'm going to quickly choose Leagues pattern. You can choose to align it to the left, to the center, and to the right, whichever one that works for you. You can choose to change your text color. You can scroll up to see what you're working on. You can choose the duration for which your animation will last. Now, so if I come here, you can choose the stretch distance, how much stretch it should have. And if I open up edit canvas size, it's going to show me to edit the width of the canvas. So once you're done, I'm going to click on add to design. I'm going to go back. This time I'm going to pick pulse motion type. So if we go over to our upload and come over to our video, if you don't want to do anything further with it, you can just quickly download it from here because it uploads as a GIF. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So have a good one.